We are at the Pinchot North Loop trailhead. Got Shadoe. Ever since backpacking up here, he's wanted to finish out up here, so we are going to do the whole North Loop today, which is like roughly 10 miles or so. It's going to be a good day to do it too. It's like mid to upper 30s right now, and it's supposed to be a high of 60. But by the time we're done, it'll probably be like, you know, at least in the mid 50s. So yeah, nice and clear. Gonna be nice and sunny and bright. Perfect day. Yeah, this little boulder field, definitely one of my favorite features of the North Loop. The sound of the water passing under all the rocks. Sounds neat, and it's got a very soothing quality to it as well. Well, we are making really good time.
Yeah, we are.
And we're not like terribly speeding through here either.
Not really.
But it's a 8:45, and we are probably just under the halfway mark for the day, which is kind of crazy because I wasn't expecting to go that fast. But one of the first rock falls you come to, we stopped there, dropped the packs, grabbed the snack, and yeah. This isn't the steep one, by the way.
No. I was going to say, that's too quick.
But yeah, we are not too far from where Painter's Creek is at. And we'll actually stop and take an extended break there, because it's a beautiful spot to take a break. But it's been warming up nicely. I mean, it's still, if we weren't moving, it'd still be on the chilly side, but we're able to drop layers, and yeah, just all in all, good. Which is pretty cool, because what was it, like 2 weeks ago we planned on doing this hike, and it just was crappy, rainy, like all that weekend, so it didn't really work out. So it's nice to see that the weather held out for us this time. Because even though I don't mind hiking in the rain if it's warm out, it's still just a little too cold for me to want to willingly go out in the rain. We have arrived at Painter's Creek, taking a little bit of a break, using one of the vacant campsites that's here. Shadoe's enjoying one of the pre-built benches for his snack. I am using my Hemlock Mountain Outdoors hammock chair. This is the first time I've used it. I've taken it with me for like a overnighter, but I didn't have the suspension with me to actually use it. It's nice, comfortable alternative. For something like this, it's a nice option. But I think if I were going to do like a a day hike where I wanted to like lounge out, I think I would still take my day hammock that I have. But the hammock chair is awesome. The main reason why I bought this was for a gear sling for when I backpack, to keep some of my stuff up off the ground. But yeah, I wasn't sure how comfortable this thing would be, but yeah, it's nice. And even though it doesn't go up super high in the back, it goes up to just at the top of my shoulders, bottom of my neck. Because I'm using, well, not even because I'm using that, but where the continuous loop is, I can kind of just rest my head back, and it's comfortable there. It's not. I'm not sure. It might look weird, but it just the curve of the back of the head, it just kind of sits just right there. So it's nice. Now all I need is just some place to put my feet up, and then I'd have it made in the shade. Yeah, we are 5 miles in. So I always remember this being like roughly the halfway point. So, and we've been freaking cooking. What is it? You said it's like 9:30?
Yeah, it's not even 9:30 yet. Well, that's 9:40.
Okay, so it was like 9:30 when we got here, but it's like 9:40 now. So yeah, we did it. We're just cruising right along. Trail's been really nice. Most of the muddy spots were still frozen when we hit them, but it is warming up. Like it's a little chilly down here by the creek, but we're like down in a little like ravine type area, like gully. I'm not sure what you call it, and we're in the shade. But once we get out of here and start hiking again, we'll be back in the sun and be like instantly warmed up again. Yeah, good stuff. Gonna enjoy the rest of my break. Bring you guys back once we get started again. Freaking beautiful out. Still, like no clouds in the sky. We've been hiking in like just our t-shirts and just normal summer pants. So it's been super comfortable. And we're just in the beginning of April. Although the weather's been really weird. You have one day still where it's like freezing out, like yesterday. Yesterday, unless you were in the sun, it was cold. But then today it's awesome out. So transitional seasons in the Northeast are always a fun and interesting time.